Hey, where's Will? I see a box, but I don't see where Will is.
Hello.
Hey, Will.
Hello.
What do we got today?
A remote control car. It's waterproof and it's by Ruko.
Oh, nice. Off-roading car. It's got some big monster truck tires. It's amphibious. That means it's waterproof. Man, we got to get that out of the box immediately and see what it could do. Need help?
Yes.
There it is. I see it. Get it out of there. Grab it and pull it out.
No,
pull. 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 Oh. Oh yeah.
Here it is.
That is pretty awesome looking.
Okay, we have this giant monster. And yeah, it does look like it can go over dirt.
It does got some strong power.
This thing is way too long.
Oh man, it can ram into stuff. It even has one in the back.
It's perfect.
And it comes with 2 batteries, 2 chargers, manual, remote control. Let's take a good look at this guy. Look at this.
Oh my god. It looks like a monster.
Yeah. Definitely looks waterproof because there's like no way water can get on the inside of this thing.
Half of it doesn't even get in.
This looks pretty powerful. All right, let's get some batteries in the remote, charge this bad boy up, and test its full power.
It looks like this part right here. It looks like it can make it go in the water and like the ocean and turn.
We're gonna go on an endless adventure. Okay, well, you just gotta push that button on the top to turn it on.
Okay.
All right. Oh, look at the lights flashing. Let's see what it could do. Whoa! Whoa!
Hey, park!
Yeah, we gotta take this to the park. This thing is too powerful. We are outside of the house.
Yeah, we're gonna.
Whoa, on the rocks too? Oh man.
This is perfect. We're at the park.
Here we are. And look who's driving.
This person.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Where are you taking us?
To the duck park. Park?
Going to the duck park. And we're gonna use this guy. Where's your shoes on him? All right, we're here. Turn it on, Will.
Turn that on. And now off we go. And off we go.
Just turn the remote on.
Oh. We're gonna see how.
What are they doing? They're all like, they're watching all the ducks swim. They're all just sitting there. Whoa.
We're gonna drive in this little pond right here. Right there.
That thing drives over anything.
Anything. We're gonna do it right there.
Over there.
Okay.
Look at that. It drives on water, just like advertised. Whoa. What? How? This thing is crazy. See how it does over here. Rocks and water.
And the real challenge. It turns perfect. you see how that it's doing down this? Watch out the tires.
Cleaning the tires. Go over that rock. Whoa, man.
This car is gonna go.
Let's see.
It's a duck too. You gotta turn it. They do not like them.
This thing drives over anything.
Anything.
Literally anything. Rocks, water, branches, dirt, mud. Wrong way.
Okay, we're gonna try a different attack.
Alright, let's see how it drives over wood chips.
Okay. Like nothing.
Oh man, it did it.
Yes.
Let's try it over some sand.
It's good. Drive it like off that one.
And it's still standing.
Okay, we're gonna drive it off the barn. We're gonna put this off the trash can. Let's turn it over. I'm gonna park my car where next to this truck that's smaller than your truck. Park it.
And we're parked.
We're at a different park because that park has no grass. The grass kinda dangerous idea. We're gonna put it up there and then we're gonna drive it off and it's gonna fall down. Hey, grass.
Can you reach it?
No. I can't.
Okay. Oh, whoa, here you go.
Oh, God.
It's still running. Thing's indestructible. All right, we've got a wall of acorns.
Yes. Versus a neck. Let's check it out.
destroyed.